What's up everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to do something a little bit special. It's Sunday here in Norrköping, Sweden, and I'm going to be hitting you guys up with this first ever vlog episode because many of you guys have been asking me to try to do a vlog, and so I figured what the heck, let's give this a shot and see what it's all about. So today I feel like is a great day for a first vlog for two reasons. The first reason is the weather is absolutely amazing outside. Blue skies in February in Sweden, so it's an amazing day for that. And I just bought a drone this week, so we're gonna go fly that thing, check it out, hopefully get some cool shots. Catch you guys up. Today, this morning, I went for a nice morning run before everybody was awake. All the city streets of Norrköping were empty, and I was able to snap some really cool pictures, and I'm gonna be putting those up on Instagram soon. So if you're not following me on Instagram, be sure to do that because I've got a sweet picture of the Arbetets Museum, or however you say it, the Arbets Museum, that I'm gonna be putting up there soon. So be sure to check that out, and I will link it down below in the description. So drones in Sweden just became legal this past year, I believe. And so they're just now starting to gain popularity, but they still have a lot of no-fly zones and different things. And because I live within 5 kilometers of an airport, I've got to go on a little side trip to be able to fly this. So for those of you that know me, you know that I absolutely am not good in cold weather, hence the 2 jackets. And I'm wearing headphones basically just to keep my ears warm. So that was really tough to fly the drone in this super cold weather. I lasted for about 5 minutes before my hands just froze and I couldn't feel anything. And actually it was tough to put the drone away. But the drone was surprisingly easy to fly. It's gonna be super fun to take that out when the weather's a bit warmer. So yeah, for now, I didn't get any stunning drone shots like what I was hoping to, but at the same time, I did get to fly it for the first time, which was really awesome. And I look forward to flying it more when the weather gets warmer. So I guess today didn't go quite as planned. I didn't get those amazing drone shots that I was looking to get because I just could not handle the cold weather. I mean, my hands were absolutely frozen after just 2 minutes. So unfortunately I didn't get to really see what that drone was capable of. I got to learn a little bit of the controls and stuff, so you best believe that there's gonna be some drone shots in the future vlogs, especially once this weather gets warmer. So that is one thing to look forward to. So yeah, that was my first vlog. Let me know what you guys think if you want me to do more vlogs. This was just kind of a short mini vlog to kind of get my feet wet because this is kind of like a completely new thing for me. But it's been really fun to make, and I think that my vlogging skills will get better as I go along and do it a little bit more and a little bit more. So yeah, this was just kind of a day in the life on a Sunday here in Sweden. And so I hope everybody has a good week next week, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this. So stay tuned for future videos, and if you're not subscribed yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so that you can be in the notification squad and be one of the first to know whenever I release a new video. All right, with that guys, I'll see you in the next one.